Hey there. AST SpaceMobile, ticker symbol ASTS, has been on a tear lately. If you're curious as to why, this video will explain it. Check it out.
All right, let's dive into one of the wildest stories on the market right now. AST SpaceMobile. This is a company with a massive vision to connect the entire planet with a network of satellites. And let me tell you, it's causing a huge stir, creating an army of true believers and some really serious skeptics. So the question is this a revolutionary dream come true, or just a super risky bet? It really all kicks off with this number, $101.25. That was the jaw-dropping price ASTS stock hit on a recent Thursday, a price that has everyone, from retail investors to Wall Street pros, asking the exact same question. What on earth is going on here?
And if you want to understand the excitement, you just have to listen to what its biggest fans are saying. This quote from an investor on StockTwits, it just says it all. For them, this isn't just about a stock ticker. No, this is about being part of the future of communication itself.
Okay, so first things first. Let's unpack the numbers that have been fueling this incredible frenzy. The performance has been, well, nothing short of spectacular. The stock almost quadrupled in value over 2025 alone. We're talking a gain of over 370%. You know, gains like that don't just get noticed. They practically scream for an explanation. And that explanation? Well, it all comes down to the technology. This isn't just about numbers on a screen. It's about a truly game-changing idea. The whole thing is built on this concept called direct-to-device. Now, the key phrase here, the one you really need to remember, is unmodified mobile phones. ASTS is building a cellular network in space that connects directly to the phone that you already have in your pocket. No special dish, no extra equipment, nothing. And the process is actually super simple. So you make a call, you try to get on the web, whatever. Your signal just goes straight up to one of their satellites in low Earth orbit, or LEO. That satellite then acts like a giant cell tower in the sky, and it bounces the signal right back down to the ground. And just like that, you've got a connection, whether you're in the middle of the ocean, a desert, or on top of a mountain. Now, this is where it gets really interesting, because it highlights a huge difference from a competitor you've definitely heard of, Starlink. While Starlink's original service made you buy and install a special terminal, ASTS is designed from the ground up to work with the billions of smartphones already out there. That is a massive, massive potential advantage when it comes to just getting it into people's hands. And what makes all this possible is some seriously impressive hardware. Their new BlueBird satellites are gigantic. We're talking a communications array of almost 2,400 square feet. That is the largest ever sent into low Earth orbit, and all that size gives them 10 times the capacity of their older versions. This is the real muscle behind the whole operation. Okay, so a cool idea and powerful tech, that's one thing. But is it a real business? Let's take a look at the momentum they're building in the real world. Oh, absolutely. I mean, just look at this list. This isn't some startup tinkering in a garage. ASTS has locked down partnerships with a who's who of global telecom. We're talking AT&T, Verizon, Vodafone, Samsung, Nokia. The list just goes on, covering over 50 mobile network operators. That gives them incredible credibility and a direct path to market. And they aren't just signing deals, they're actually getting things done. Back in April of 2025, they pulled off the first ever satellite-to-smartphone video call in Japan. By the end of that year, they were cranking out 6 satellites a month and even launched their first next-gen BlueBird. Their goal, a full constellation up and running by the end of 2026. And you bet their partners are taking notice. The CEO of Rakuten called that first video call proof of groundbreaking technology. You know, that kind of praise from a major industry player, that's some powerful validation for what they're doing. So far, it sounds like a perfect story, right? Visionary tech, huge partners, a stock that's flying to the moon. But this is where the narrative takes a very, very sharp turn. This is really the crucial point. We have to ask ourselves, is it all just a little too good to be true? And the answer, as you can probably guess, is pretty complicated. Because here it is, the other side of the coin. A law firm, Levi & Krasinski, has launched an investigation into ASTS for potential securities fraud. The whole thing centers on a delay to their BlueBird 6 launch. The allegation is that the company knew about the delay but didn't tell investors right away, which caused the stock to drop over 9.5% when the news finally did get out.
And this, right here, is the core conflict of the whole story. On one side, you have these very serious legal allegations, and on the other, You have this community of investors who see this as so much more than a stock. To them, it's about hope. It's about aspiration. It's a chance to literally change the world. It's just a massive, massive disconnect.
So you've got two really compelling arguments here. The bulls, they'll point to the revolutionary tech, the big name partners, and the successful tests. They'll also tell you the company is fully funded through its 2026 launch. But the bears, they see huge risks in just getting it all done, fierce competition, those serious fraud allegations, and a very long, very uncertain road to actually making money.
So where does all this leave us? I mean, what's the ultimate takeaway from this incredible and incredibly complicated story?
Well, it brings us right back to the fundamental mission. Today, we have 5 billion mobile subscribers on the planet, but there are still nearly 3 billion people with no access to the internet. Bridging that digital divide is one of the biggest challenges of our time. And let's be honest, it's a colossal market opportunity.
And that really leaves us with the final question. Is AST SpaceMobile on the verge of making universal connection a reality? Or is this a breathtakingly ambitious gamble, fueled by hype and hope, that's destined to come crashing back down to Earth? I guess only time will tell, and believe me, the whole world is watching.